Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we are making very yummy chicken chapli kababs. We will add everything in minced chicken and marinate it for an hour in fridge. Then make chapli kababs. We will also freeze some of them inshallah. So what we need to make them: minced chicken 5 pounds, tomato 3 without seeds, chop them finely. Onion 1 big size, chop it finely. Cilantro leaves 1 bunch, chop leaves. Gram flour half cup. Egg 1, salt 1.5 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, Carom powder 1 teaspoon, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, Garam masala powder half teaspoon, Coriander powder 2 tablespoon and Cumin powder 2 tablespoon. So let's add everything in mince to marinate it with Bismillah. Kebab mixture is ready. Keep it in fridge for an hour. Then we will make kebabs inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To freeze some kebabs, place a parchment paper on plate and use some oil on your fingers to make kebabs. Take a small portion of mixture and roll it in your fingers. Then place it on plate with parchment paper. Press it gently to make kebab. Make 3 kebabs on a plate. Now mark them with a knife so you can easily separate them when they are freezed. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After keeping in freezer for overnight, they are ready to store in freezer. First make them separate like this. It is easy to make them separate now. Now keep them in freezer bag and store in freezer to get fresh chapli kababs for a month. Let's fry some of them to enjoy them with Bismillah.